Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so super excited, you guys. I am gonna take you along to bake with me as I prepare some really awesome cupcakes for my fiance's birthday and his mother's birthday. So if you like all of that, stick around, stick around, stick around. Don't forget to subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Please, you guys, I would love to hear your comments on what's your favorite flavors of cupcake or cake that you guys enjoy making. If you do bake, if not, if you enjoy just eating it, comment below and let me know. Yeah, so let's go. So pretty much here, guys, these are the tools and ingredients we will be using today to make our red velvet cupcake birthday edition. Yeah. So I started out with my eggs, a little bit of pure vegetable oil. So let's get started. So this egg pretty much came as a twin. So the ingredients pretty much said 3 eggs, I believe. So I just got 2 from one, and I just end up cracking 1 more additional egg, which equals 3. Yeah. So I pretty much just mix that all the way out, as you guys can see. And I just got another bowl where I'm just gonna add everything together. So I just pretty much add my red velvet cake batter mix, after which I just add a cup of water. This was pretty easy and simple to make, but at the same time it was my first time really baking cupcake. So but I was really happy with the results, as you guys will see later on in this video. From here I added, I believe it was 2/3 of vegetable oil, and stir. By the way, I have to invest in an auto mixer. I think that's what they call them, because this was straight up some real arm work. Like my arm was hurting me by the time I was finished mixing. So I pretty much ordered these rose gold cupcake holders from Amazon. They're really nice, and I love everything rose gold, so I thought it was perfect, you know, very fitting. And as you can see right here, I'm just filling in the cups. I made a little boo-boo there. It was like a crime scene for a second, but we're back and we got everything cleaned up nicely. So guys, I also decided to make a little bit of cornbread, because I feel like that is one of the best things to pair with seafood. I also end up doubling up on the mix. I end up making the entire box because I realized it wasn't enough, so I had to double up on the ingredients. Yeah, so pretty much we have 1 egg, which I had to end up adding another egg. And I already added the milk. I'm adding my vegetable oil, 1/3 of vegetable oil. So after going over my footage, I realized I totally forgot to show you guys the finished product of my cornbreads, but I will say, take my word for it, it came out amazing and it was simply delicious. So this by far was one of the most exciting part about making this red velvet cupcake. I honestly, this is my first time ever doing this. That's the icing part of it, but it was exciting. I tried making a little bit of design. It came out, you know, good enough, I guess. Everyone liked it for the most, yeah. And of course, if you guys have any tips or tricks in making this a little bit more of a cool, like, decorating effect, as far as applying the icing, I am definitely open to suggestions, like cool ways I could learn to just make designs, you know. So please comment below and let me know some really cool ideas so I could try them out, because I am so into baking a lot more now that I am home and we are still quarantined here in New York. So yeah. All right, let's see. By the way, you guys, you are currently listening to my latest single, which is called Disguise. It's available for streaming everywhere. Yeah. So as you can see, the cupcake came out really nice. It was super delicious and I am totally pleased. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget, you guys, to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up because this really helps my channel. Also, don't forget to follow my social media. This is my Instagram. Leave your girl a comment to let me know where you're coming from, where you repping. Bye.